Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some exercises questions from seating arrangement. Now, in the previous lecture, we discussed that basically there are 4 types of questions that you can get in seating arrangement in your competitive exams. Circular seating arrangement, linear seating arrangement in polygons, and parallel row seating arrangement. These are the most common types of seating arrangement that you can get in your exams. Even in polygon type of questions, you either get square or rectangle, that is very common. But other shapes, you can also get like triangle, hexagon, pentagon, those kind of shapes. In today's lecture, we will discuss certain questions, certain examples to get a better conceptual clarity. So let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 says Amit, Bablu, Ramesh, Deepak, Imran, Sunil and Sanju. So how many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So these 7 people are sitting around a circular table facing opposite to the center. So this is a question of circular seating arrangement, correct? This is a question of circular seating arrangement. Now in circular seating arrangement, I told you that 3 types of possibility is there. First type is that everybody is facing towards the center. That means everybody is facing the inside, correct? Second possibility is that everybody is facing outside. That means away from the center or opposite to the center. And third possibility is that some people are facing inside and some people are facing outside, correct? These are your possibilities. Now in this question, it is given to us that there are 7 people and everybody is facing opposite to the center. That means everybody is facing outside. So 7 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sitting in this direction, outside. Now imagine yourself to be in this position. Let's say this is your position. Towards your right will move like this. That is clockwise will be towards your right. And if you have to go left, you will go in this direction, correct? If you have to go left, you will go in this direction, that is anti-clockwise. So this is how you have to remember left and right. You just place yourself in a position and imagine. Okay, so 7 people are there. So 7 seats I have drawn and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seats I have drawn. Okay, now it is given to us that Amit does not sit adjacent to Imran and Sanju. So we cannot place it anywhere on this chart. So let us hold this information. Bablu does not sit adjacent to Amit. Again, we cannot use this information. Sanju sits second to the left of Imran. So I can use this information that Sanju sits second to the left of Imran. So if Sanju sits over here, Sanju will sit second to the left. That means Imran will sit over here. Correct? Imran will sit over here. Sanju will be over here. Now let us come back to this information. This information says Amit does not sit adjacent to Imran and Sanju. So that means Amit cannot sit in this position, Amit cannot sit in this position, and Amit cannot sit in this position. Because he will not sit adjacent to or next to Sanju and Imran. So 2 possibilities are there for Amit's position. Amit can sit here or Amit can sit over here. Correct? There are 2 positions. So now let me draw one more possibility. So whenever you get questions on seating arrangement, try drawing all the possibilities to eliminate any kind of confusion. So 7 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 people are there. Sanju is sitting over here. Imran is sitting over here. And Amit is sitting over here. So this is your second possibility and this is your first possibility that Amit is sitting over here. 2 possibilities are there. Okay. Now I can use this information that Bablu does not sit adjacent to Amit. So Bablu cannot sit over here and Bablu cannot sit over here. Similarly, Bablu cannot sit over here and Bablu cannot sit over here. Okay. Moving forward. It is given to us that Ramesh sits fourth to the left of Amit. So Amit is over here, possibility number 1 and possibility number 2. Amit is over here. Ramesh sits fourth to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In this particular situation, in the first situation, fourth to the left will be 1, 2, 3, 4. But over here we already have Sanju. So this is not possible. Correct? Moving on to second possibility, fourth to the left of Amit. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I can put Ramesh. Correct? Here I can put Ramesh. So now let us come to Bablu. Bablu cannot sit over here. Bablu cannot sit over here. So the only remaining position for Bablu is this one. So Bablu will sit over here. Now we get two empty positions. Okay? It is given to us that Deepak and Bablu sit adjacent to each other. So next to Bablu we will have Deepak. Correct? Now only one person is remaining, that is Sunil. So I can put Sunil over here. So this will be my final arrangement. Okay? This is my final arrangement. Now, we are asked in the question who sits immediately right of Amit. So immediately right, Amit is over here. Towards the right will be this side. Immediately right of Amit we will have Sunil. So my answer will be option number 2, Sunil. Clear? Coming to question number 2. Question number 2 says that there are 5 friends. They are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. So again a question of circular seating arrangement. Circular seating arrangement. Okay? So we have 5 friends that are facing towards the center. So let's draw 5 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 friends facing towards the center. Q is second to the left of T. So if T is over here, Q is second to the left. That means 1 and 2. So Q will be over here. Q is second to the left of T. So left will be this side, correct? Imagine yourself at the position of T. This will be your left and this will be your right. So this is actually opposite to when they were facing outside. So this you have to pay attention to. Left and right is important. Now, so Q will be over here because Q is sitting second to the left of T. Now it is given to us that S is the immediate neighbor of Q and T. So S has to sit in a position that he comes next to both Q and T. So S will automatically come over here because now he is adjacent to Q and he is adjacent to T. So this will be S position, correct? Now it is given to us that R is not the immediate neighbor of Q. So if R is not the immediate neighbor, that means R cannot come here. R is not the immediate neighbor of Q. So R will come over here. Correct? R will come over here. Now, while counting, so only one position is remaining. We can put P over here because we have only one position. Now, while counting from the left of Q, so this is Q. Q's left will be this side. This will be the direction of left. So while counting from left of Q, how many friends are sitting between Q and S? That we have to tell. So this will be the left of Q. So between Q and S, from the left of Q, we have 1, 2 and 3 friends. So my answer will be option number 3, 3. We have 3 friends between Q and S when counted from the left of Q. If we had to count from right of Q, then we have no friends between them. None. But from the left of Q, we have 3 friends. Okay. So sometimes the examiner can give you option number 4, let's say none. And some people will tick on this because between Q and S, you can see there's no one. But you have to pay attention to the left and right. Therefore, this will be the incorrect option. Answer will be option number 3, 3. Okay, clear? Moving on to question number 3. Question number 3, how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people are there sitting around a circular table facing the center. So again, 5 positions facing the center. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 positions facing the center. S is the immediate neighbor of T and W. So that means S will sit between T and W. So if I have my S here, I can have my T here and my W over here. Correct? This is one possibility. The second possibility is, let's say there are 5 people facing the center. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And if my S is over here, W is over here and T is here. This is the second possibility because we don't know whether W is to the right of S or T is to the right of S. Clear? Now, it is given to us that U is to the immediate right of T. In possibility number 1, immediate right of T will be over here, and over here we already have S. So can we place U? Therefore, this is incorrect. Coming back to possibility number 2. Possibility number 2, U is to the immediate right. So immediate right of T will be this position, and here we will have U. So U will be over here. The only person remaining is V. So V will be placed over here. This is U and this is V. So this will be my final arrangement. Okay. Now moving forward, it is also given us that V is the immediate neighbor of U and W. So this is already clear from the image. We have to find who is sitting to the immediate left of S. So S is over here. Immediate left will be this side. So immediate left we have W. Therefore my answer will be option number 2, W. Clear? Now, moving forward to question number 4. 5 people A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a straight row facing north. So this is a linear seating arrangement question, correct? This is a linear seating arrangement question. Now in linear seating arrangement, I also told you that there are 3 possibilities. First possibility is everybody is facing north. The second possibility is everybody is facing south. And the third possibility is that some people are facing north or some people are facing south. These are your possibilities in linear seating arrangement. There are certain exceptions where we also get questions when people are facing east or west, but those are rare. These are the 3 common types of questions that you can get in your competitive exams from linear seating arrangement. So 5 people are there. That means we have 5 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now, it is given to us that E is sitting immediate next to D. So E can be like this also and this can be like this also. C is sitting immediate next to B. So CB can be like this also and BC can be like this also. And B is not sitting with A, who is on the left end on the bench. So A is basically on the left end on the bench. So this is your left and this is your right, correct? So A will be over here. And now we know that B is not sitting with A, so B cannot be in this position. Correct? Now, moving forward, it is given to us that C is in the second position from the right. So, from the right, the second position is 1, 2, this. C is over here, second from the right. Okay? So, now we have one combination and 2 combination. C, B sit together and ED sit together. So now if I place B over here, correct? If I place B over here, I will have position for E and D, correct? I will have 2 empty positions. But if I place B over here, I will not have 2 adjacent positions for E and D. That means B will definitely come over here. Correct? And now we have E and D remaining that we have to place. It is given to us that E is to the right of D and A. That means E is on the right side of both D and A. So E will be over here, D will be over here. This will be my final arrangement. Correct? This is my final arrangement. It is given to us that E and C are sitting together. That we can find out. We have to find the position of E. Position of E is here. Now, if I look at option number 1, immediate neighbors of both A and B? No. Immediate neighbors of both C and A? No. Immediate neighbor of both D and B? No. But immediate neighbor of both D and C. E is definitely the immediate neighbors of both D and C. Therefore, option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Option number 4 will be the answer. Moving on to question number 5. 6 friends are sitting around a circular table. So again, circular seating arrangement. And they are facing towards the center. So center, that means we have 6 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 friends facing towards the center. it is given to us that Amit sits third to the left of David. So if David is over here, Amit sits third to the left. Left will be this side, correct? This will be your left side. So third to the left means 1, 2, 3. So Amit will sit over here. Third to the left of David. Clear? Now, David sits to the immediate right of Bhuvan. So immediate right means Bhuvan will be over here. Bhuvan will be over here. That is why Bhuvan will be over here because David is to the immediate right of Bhuvan. Correct? Immediate right of Bhuvan. Now it is given to us that Bhuvan sits second to the left of Emily. Second to the left. That means Emily will be over here. Emily will be over here. Second to the left of Emily, Bhuvan sits. And Chand sits second to the right of Frederick. So if Frederick sits over here, that means Chand can sit over here because he is sitting second to the right of Frederick. You have to remember the positions of right and left. This will be your right side and this will be your left side. Correct? This will be my final arrangement. Now the question asks who sit second to the right of Amit. So Amit is over here. Second to the right will be 1, 2. Second to the right we will have Bhuvan. Therefore answer will be option number 2, Bhuvan. Clear? Option number 2, Bhuvan. Moving on to question number 6. Question number 6. 7 girls are there. G1, G2, G3, G4, G5, G6, G7. G represents girl. And they are sitting around a circular table facing the center. So, 7 girls facing center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 girls facing the center. It is given to us that G6 is second to the left of G1. So, if G1 is over here, G6 is second to the left. So, left will be this side, correct? And this will be the right side. So, second to the left means G6 will be over here, correct? G6 will be over here. G7 is second to the left of G6. So, again second to the left. So, G7 will be over here, correct? Now, G5 is third to the right of G2. We cannot use this information currently. Okay. So, let's hold this information. G5 is not immediate neighbor of G6. So, G5 cannot come over here and G5 cannot come over here because it is not immediate neighbors. Correct? Now, we have two positions of G5. G5 can either come over here or G5 can come over here. So, now let us take both the possibilities. So, this is possibility 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positions, correct? So, G1 is over here, G6 is over here, G7 is over here. Possibility 1 that G5 sits over here, possibility 2 that G5 sits over here. This is your first possibility, this is your second possibility. Okay, so this information we have used. Now, it is given to us that G5 is third to the right of G2. So, third to the right means that G2 will sit over here. 1, 2, 3. Third to the right of G2. And in this case, G2 has to sit over here. But we already have G6 over here. So, we cannot place G2 over here. Therefore, this is not the correct possibility. Coming back to possibility 1. Possibility 1 says that G4 is third to the right of G3. So, I can see over here, if I consider this position to be G3, G4 has to be third to the right. So, 1, 2, 3, G4 will come over here. So, this will be my final arrangement. Correct? This is my final arrangement. We have to answer who is second to the left of G7. So, G7 is over here. Second to the left. Second to the left will mean this direction. So, 1, 2. Second to the left, we have G3. My answer will be option number 4, G3. Correct? Clear? This will be my answer. Moving on to question number 7. Question number 7 says 8 friends are there. Jay, King, Lisa, Mon, Nia, Ori and Piyu and Ria are sitting around a circular table facing the center. So, 8 friends facing the center. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 friends facing the center. Okay. J is sitting second to the right of PU. So J is sitting, let's say, second to the right. So PU will be over here. J is sitting second to the right of PU, and PU is sitting third to the right of King. So King will be over here because PU is sitting third to the right of King. Correct? Now, Mon is sitting second to the left of Ori. Ori sits between PU and J. So Ori will automatically come over here. Ori comes over here because she sits between PU and J. And Mon is sitting second to the left of Ori. So second to the left means over here. So Mon will sit over here, second to the left of Ori. Now it is given to us that Lisa is not a neighbor of King or Nia. So Lisa cannot come over here. Lisa cannot come over here because she is not the neighbor of King. So Lisa will automatically come over here. Now where will Nia come? Lisa is also not the neighbor of Nia. Therefore, we cannot have Nia in this position. Correct? So, Nia will come over here. Now we have 7 positions finalized. 1 position is remaining where we can put Ria. Correct? So, this will be my final arrangement. The question is, who is sitting to the immediate right of King? So, King is over here. Immediate right will be this side, and this side we have Nia. So, my answer will be option number 4, Nia. Clear? This will be the correct answer to the question. Option number 4. Coming to question number 8. Question number 8. 6 shopkeepers are given to us and they are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. So, 6 shopkeepers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 shopkeepers facing the center. Now, C is second to the left of A. So, C is over here, second to the left of A. Okay, second to the left of A. P is to the immediate right of K. We cannot use this information. X is second to the right of R. We cannot use this information. A is to the immediate left of X. With this we can use. So, A is to the immediate left of X. So, X will come over here. Now, X is second to the right of R. So, clearly R will come over here because X is second to the right of R. Okay. Now, we can use this information that P is to the immediate right of K. So, P has to be over here because she is immediate right of K. So, this is my final arrangement. Okay. The question asks which of the following pairs of shopkeepers represents the immediate neighbors of X. So, X is over here. Immediate neighbors will be K and A. These are your immediate neighbors, K and A. And A and K is given in option number 1. Therefore, this will be the correct answer. A and K. Okay. Coming to question number 9. Question number 9, 5 people are there. They are sitting in a straight row. So, linear seating arrangement and they are facing north but not necessarily in the same order. So, we have 5 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are facing the north. So, this will be the right side and this will be the left side. Correct? Now, only M sits between L and S. So, 2 possibilities. Either we have either we have LMS or we have SML. Correct? 2 possibilities are there. Now, N sits to the immediate right of S. So, immediate right of S, over here I can put N. This is my left, this is my right side. Correct? So, over here I can put N. But N needs to sit immediate right of S. Can we put N in this position? No, because it is given to us that only M is sitting between S and L. Therefore, this is not the correct possibility. This is correct. L, M, S, N. These 4 people sit together. Okay. And it is given to us that R sits to the immediate left of L. So, R sits to the immediate L. Left means R will come over here. This will be my final arrangement. R, L, M, S and N. This is my final arrangement. Now, we are to answer who sits at the second position from the left end. So, this is my left end and this is my right end. We have to answer who sits at the second position from left. So second position from left will be 1, 2, L. So my answer will be option number 1, L. Clear? Now, coming to question number 10. Question number 10. 6 boys are sitting in a straight row facing north. So linear seating arrangement question. 6 boys are there. They are sitting in a straight row and they are facing north. B sits second to the right of D. So 6 boys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 facing the north. This will be my right side. This will be my left side. This will be my left end and this will be my right end. Correct? Now, B sits second to the right of D. So B is sitting second to the right of D. This information is given to us. A sits 4 to the left of F and F is not sitting on the extreme ends of the row. So if I take F over here, A will sit fourth to the left. So 1, 2, 3, fourth. A will come over here and F will come over here because F does not sit at the extreme end. Correct? Now, C sits second to the right of B. That means if B is over here, C sits second to the right. That means C will come over here. So, can I put this information over here? Yes. D will be over here, B will be over here and C will be over here. The only person remaining is E, which will come at this place. So, this will be my final arrangement. Now, the question asks who sits second to the right of A. So, A is over here. Second to the right will be 1, 2. So, second to the right of A will be E. Option number 2 will be the answer. Clear? Option number 2 will be the answer. So this concludes today's lecture. We discussed a lot of questions on seating arrangement. I hope you got a better conceptual clarity. Now from the next lectures onward, we will do some exercises question based on the types of questions that we have discussed. So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.